Okay, for Paulo Cruzada anyway, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson, in the past for what you did to Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May, after Teacher May, who else? Jordan Pilapil. That is your consequence. Do not blame anybody. If you're blaming me, I say again, you should be blame yourself. Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself for what you did to, for example, Teacher May, even not only Teacher May you harass, you harass Teacher Kel. Paulo Cruzada, I've been chat with Teacher Kel in Messenger. She asking me, who's Paulo Cruzada? I just reply at her. I just responded to her. I told her that was a student of Teacher May. I asked Teacher Kel, if you remember Paulo Cruzada, if he had you in group chat, just leave the group and then just block him in Facebook. It's simple because 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 she read it in a group chat while she was busy in teachings there in the US. And now Teacher Kel had react also. She told her husband, Escal Penumbra, that Paulo Cruzada is really attacking anybody. He's attacking everyone. He's attacking everybody. And you do not know what he was talking about. Everyone really realized he is really abnormal. And first of all, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson too. Because you had Teacher Kel. Oh, now you see Teacher Kel. She realized Paulo Cruzada must learn a lesson. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, I say again, you're really a Zionist. You're just like Mark Cruz. You're just like Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jim Macasadil. You are attacking everyone in the Philippines. Otherwise they will not going to forgive you. Paulo Prasada, I'm just saying again, you need to learn your lesson. Puro ka lang bomb joke, puro ka lang away, Paulo Prasada. Like I said before, you are really abnormal. I'm say again, I say to Teacher May, with all due respect, you need to tell that the parents of Paulo Cruzada to discipline their son. You know that Paulo Cruzada is attacking at everyone, harassing people, harassing individuals. Who was harassing anybody like Paulo Cruzada? He harassed Shania Kiana, Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Kilpabelo. What else? Um, Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri. Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn your lesson. You need to learn your attitude. Because if you don't really how to stop, you will get you in trouble. Even his allies, Gina Sergio, Jeffrey Sergio, Jima Casandil, they kept attacking at Sophia Ahmad Sultan and even Josh Gozo. And by the way, Paulo Cruzada, Attorney Sophia Ahmad Sultan, who is a future first Filipina Muslim, who's a Shia and Sufism Muslim. She's a lawyer of close friend of Joseph Maspinas. She'll file the subpoena of Paulo Cruzada. You better to be prepared, Paulo Cruzada. The court is really a lawsuit. You know what this lawsuit means, Paulo Cruzada? There is a lawsuit who have been filed, like the cases against you. Even it was came from Joseph Maspinas. It was came from Teacher May Tiburcio, and it came from who filed the petition. It was from Lorraine Shuk, Lorraine Shuk, Joseph Maspinas, Teacher May Tiburcio, even at her family, Rafael, Isabella Tiburcio, or Rafael Tiburcio, Rafael, even her niece, Isabella. Oh, they filed the cases against you. Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Marisa is the one who filed the cases against you. Jordan Pilapil, Wawel Romero, o Ate Charmaine Aloyan. They are going to file the cases against you. Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Chima Casandil. And almost forgot, Ola Nunez had filed the cases against Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Gima Casandil. If four of you would able to attend the hearing, oh, eh, it's up to the court. It's up to the it's not only from the NBI, it's not only from the PNP, it's up to the court because all of you bully everyone. Here's that one thing, Paulo Cruzada, the one condition anyway. That this Zionist Paulo Cruzada, he needs to go to therapy. He needs to go to goals. Or what's the therapy I was told by Jardino? In Alres, in Quezon City. You need to go to therapy, Paulo Cruzada. Look it in your brain. You're really act yourself abnormal. That's why the JASAMs and the Philippine Women University they also criticize against you that you are a rapist, Paulo Cruzada.